Hey, how you doing? Austin here. This is your midnight update for Dogecoin. I really like doing these. I like doing these kind of end of day wrap ups, and you guys seem to love them. Thank you again for your support. These videos get a ton of views, and I think it's the up late night guys and gals refreshing their screens and looking on YouTube for more content. Thank you for you guys trusting in me and coming to me and letting me talk to you about what I'm seeing with these various cryptos and the overall kind of state of the union in the crypto market's not been great today. I'm not telling you anything you probably don't know. We're going to look at overall everything that's kind of playing out here. But again, I would tell you, I sincerely am humbled by your support, and so thank you very much. Also, remember this video is for entertainment purposes only. I'm not an investment advisor, nor am I a stockbroker. Invest at your own risk. And then thirdly, public service announcement down below. Scammers are in the comments. Don't fall for it. If it looks like me trying to get you to a WhatsApp or get you to send me money or whatever random junk those guys and those they're trying to do, that's not me. Beware. Don't do it. Okay. All right. So let's take a look at what's going on with Doge. Doge, guys, is down 15%. Actually, it's faring fairly well. I mean, in the overall market condition. 24-hour high and low of 21 cents and 68 cents. I have looked high and low, and I've not been able to see this 68 cent scenario. If you look in the chart, it's certainly not here, as well as I can't find it. So I'm wondering if this is a glitch or something. Somebody else in the comments on my previous video said they saw it. I'm like, wow, that'd be crazy if we touch 68 in this market conditions, and it's absolutely not showing up here on this chart. If you look at the one-day chart, it's 41, 42. It's not here either. Okay, so my point is, I don't know. I personally think that was a glitch, but you guys can roast me in the comments below if you want. Like, yeah, I saw it over here. Okay. Anyway, so what is going on? Current state of the union again, 14%. Look at the volume. The volume is massive. We got a massive spike in volume. Look at that. It's crazy how much volume spike we got going on. All right. If you look at the overall kind of state of the union as far as the market goes, let me refresh the screen here real quickly as it takes its time. There we go. We've got what I see as we're coming back. Okay. My point is that, guys, when I did my video this morning, Bitcoin was down almost 50%. Ethereum was down 40% or whatever the number was. I mean, Ethereum this morning was $2,000, right? I mean, it was close to, the levels from 2 months ago. Binance, Cardano. I mean, but look in this overall, in this column, this 24-hour column, and I'm using digitalcoinprice.com, by the way. If you look at this 24-hour column, yes, we have this orange-pink color in a fair amount, but what I would point to you at is that the numbers are lower. XRP down 21%, and when it was down 40 to 45%. Okay, and if you look also in the last 1 hour, we've got some positive momentum where it looks like in the last hour we've got a lot of green going, right? Could this change? Absolutely. Could we continue to see pullback and slides? I apologize, my ear itches this time. It's not my face, it's my ear. I don't know what is up. Every time I go on video, it's crazy. This is what's happening. Why is this? Guys, this is the exact same thing we've been talking about. It is the China banning of cryptocurrency scenario. It is the continued fallout from that. If you look right here on Yahoo Finance, it impacted the overall, my opinion, the overall markets. It's just overall impacting everything. Am I saying that the China thing impacted the Dow and the NASDAQ? No, that's not what I'm saying. I'm saying, though, the overall market has just been a blood red carnage day, and the overall cryptocurrency market kind of rebounded as well. Guys, the Dow at one point was down like 560. Okay, the NASDAQ was down crazy, and this is what it ended up closing at. It came back really, really nicely. All right, I know you didn't sign in for a Dow or NASDAQ tutorial. My point is, but look at the overall crypto market. Okay, this morning we were down 50%, 49%. These were big, huge numbers. Go look at my video from this morning. You'll see we were down a ton, and we've come back fairly nicely. Okay, my hope and my belief is that we will come back even more so as we roll along. Tomorrow is another day. We will see how it all plays out. Okay, I don't have a crystal ball. Wish I did. But you know, I think it's one of those scenarios we'll just have to kind of see how it all transpires. Because here's the thing: there is nothing that has changed related to the overall environment surrounding Doge, right? I mean, it's not like we had some really bad news related to Doge. It's not like we had a major catalyst, impact Doge. None of that happened. Okay, my point to you is that this is a overall market condition, a cryptocurrency market event, right? It is not a Dogecoin event. It is not specifically an Ethereum event, and not a Bitcoin event. Some people would say, yeah, it's a Bitcoin event because it's all that the news articles want to talk about is Bitcoin, right? If you go to Google, let me show you this. If you go to Google and you type in cryptocurrency news, right? Okay, look, I want to show you this. What you see is Bitcoin. This one's about Dogecoin, which, by the way, go check it out. It's just going to basically tell you that it's about China. Bitcoin, Carnage, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin. Oh, by the way, this goes back to my point I made in a previous video. Look at these three: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. Dogecoin is being lumped in with Bitcoin and Ethereum now when it comes to press. I said this yesterday. That actually is a good thing. Okay, they're starting to mention Dogecoin in the same breath that they're mentioning Ethereum and Bitcoin. Okay, basically Dogecoin has arrived at the proverbial party, and it's one of the cryptos that everybody talks about when they talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum. Hence, right here, look, Fortune magazine has mentioned Dogecoin in the same breath of Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm not minimizing or Dogecoin at all. I'm just saying that that's how the media is starting to portray Doge. Right. My point to you is, they don't mention that the overall crypto market is down. They say Bitcoin is down. Bitcoin is down. Okay, it's not a Bitcoin specific problem here in this scenario. It is an overall crypto market correction that we've seen in the last 12 to 18 hours, give or take, and it's specifically related to this China scenario. All right. So to wrap up with this video, because I don't want it to go too long, I want it to be around 8 to 10 minutes, which is where I like to keep my videos. Let's talk about shopping opportunities. Let's talk about opportunities to buy. Okay, again, not investment advice. My point to you is that look for some specific buying opportunities. Maybe even it's Doge. Maybe look at maybe some XRP, some Litecoin, some Polygon, Ethereum Classic, VE Chain. I mentioned Litecoin already. Again, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Binance Coin, Cardano. Why not? XRP, I've already mentioned it. Maybe add yourself some small bullish positions. This goes to the heart of almost every video I've done for you guys, where I talk about Doge or Shiba or whatever it may be. Is that diversify your risk. Today's event is a perfect example of that. Okay, is diversify your risk inside of the crypto market. If you want to continue to put money in the crypto market, maybe let's say you have $500. Maybe take out that $500. Hey, I'm going to spend 150 of it today, as an example, and maybe spread it up around some different cryptos. Ethereum, Cardano, XRP, as an example. Then wait, give yourself another 24 hours, see, because we may go down a little bit more. We may bounce back. My point to you is that kind of spread your risk, maybe do some dollar cost averaging. If we continue to go down, instead of spending your $500 all today, maybe spread it over the next 24 to 36 hours, dollar cost average down. And or, later, if the market goes back up a little bit, then you go, okay, I'm going to hold off and I'm going to, I'm going to keep my $350, see if I can buy some different opportunities or things like that. Okay. Also, diversify your risk outside of crypto. Okay, put some money into some ETF funds. Put some money into some bonds. There's nothing wrong with bonds. It depends on your overall goal, but put your money into some stuff that is extremely safe, that is extremely conservative. Every dollar does not have to be in crypto. Okay. All right, so let's wrap up with the overall State of the Union. Hey guys, this is not a Dogecoin event. Okay, this is an overall market correction, market turning scenario, and we'll continue to monitor it, and I'll continue to bring you the news. Right now, that's where we're at. Okay, so with that said, all right, go get some sleep if you can, and rest easy. Ride this storm out. I think we're going to continue to kind of see how the next wave or two, what transpires. I'll be here as always. Again, thank you for your support of my channel. I truly, sincerely appreciate it. And I'll see you tomorrow. Good night.